can you use measurement data represented in a line plot to solve problems?
Let's find out.
Bruce measured the daily rainfall while working in Costa Rica. His line plot shows the rainfall for each day in September. What was the total rainfall for the month? What kinds of questions can you ask about the data in the line plot? Here are some possible questions. What was the total amount of rain for the month? What is the difference between the greatest and least amounts of rain? You can use the line plot to make a frequency table. The frequency table helps you organize the numerical data for your calculations. Multiply each value by the frequency to find the amount of rain for that value. Why do you find 5 times 1/4 inch? There are 5 days that each had 1/4 inch of rain. How can you find the total number of inches of rainfall for the month? Select your answer. Add the products to find the number of inches of rainfall for the month. The total rainfall was 13 5/8 inches. Now you know how to use measurement data represented in a line plot to solve problems.